They say the eyes are the windows to the soul. I say they are the remote control to the mind. Did you know that 93% of communication is nonverbal? While you are worrying about what to say, she is subconsciously reading your posture, your eyes, and your micro movements. You can lie with your words, but your body always tells the truth. Today, I will teach you 3 dark body language hacks, including the infamous triangle gaze, to create instant attraction and dominance without speaking a single word. Let's start with the most powerful seduction technique, the triangle gaze. Most men stare blankly or look away nervously. Here is exactly what you need to do to trigger a kiss response subconsciously. When you are talking to her, follow this pattern. Look at her left eye for 1 second. Move to her right eye for 1 second. Then drop your gaze to her lips for 1.5 seconds. Then back up to her eyes. Why does this work? Looking at the lips signals desire. Looking back at the eyes signals confidence. This creates a subconscious loop in her brain that makes her think about kissing you, even if she wasn't before. Next is the law of space. Notice how nice guys act? They lean forward, they shrink their shoulders, they try to get closer just to be heard. This screams neediness. A high-value man does the opposite. He leans back. When you lean back and open your posture, you expose your chest and stomach. Biologically, this signals that you are not afraid of an attack. You are comfortable. You are the king in his castle. Stop leaning in for validation. Lean back and let them come to you. Finally, the test of dominance. When you make eye contact with a woman, or even a rival, who looks away first? The person who looks away first is the submissive one. The person who holds the gaze is the dominant one. Practice the unbroken gaze. When she looks at you, hold her eyes. Do not smile instantly. Just hold it for 3 seconds. Let the tension build. Only look away after she does, or when you decide to break the tension with a smirk. This tells her subconscious, I am not intimidated by you. Here is a bonus tip. Move slower. Anxious people move fast. They jerk their heads. They fidget with their hands. Powerful men move like they are underwater. When someone calls your name, don't snap your neck. Turn your head slowly, blink slowly, speak slowly. Slowness implies that you are in control of time, rather than time controlling you. Master your body and you won't need to master a script. Try the triangle gaze tonight and watch how the energy shifts. Subscribe for more psychological warfare. Welcome to the truth.